In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms, and we're going to do it in just 5 minutes. Google Forms is a versatile tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and much more. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct a quiz, or collect extensive data, this tool is a great choice. To get started, let's go to Google Drive. Google Drive is the hub for all your Google apps, including Forms, and provides a centralized location to manage and store your files. Once you're there, look for the New button, which is typically located on the upper left side of the page. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options for creating new documents and files. Among these options, you will see Google Forms. Select it by clicking on it. Now you've got a couple of options right in front of you. You can start with a blank form, choose to create a quiz, or use a template from the available options depending on what suits your needs best. Let's focus on creating a form from scratch by selecting a blank form. Click on this option and it will open a brand new form for you to customize. The first thing you'll want to do is give your form a name. Simply click on the title section and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your form. Naming your form helps to keep everything organized and makes it easier to identify in the future. With your form named, it's time to add some questions. Click on the Add Questions button, which is like the building block for your form. You can choose from various types of questions, whether it's multiple choice, short answer, or a drop-down list. You have the flexibility to ask in the way that best suits the information you're looking to gather. If you're adding a short answer question, click on the drop-down menu to explore different question types. Don't forget to mark questions as required if you need specific responses. This feature ensures that respondents must answer those questions before submitting the form, ensuring completeness in your data collection. Add more questions by clicking the plus icon. This allows you to expand your form further. When you're ready to analyze responses, click on the Responses tab. Before wrapping up, it's important to customize the appearance of your form. Head over to Settings and then Customize Theme to add a personal touch. You can change the theme image, color scheme, and even the font to make the form visually appealing and branded to your preferences. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your form, click on Publish. This will make your form live and ready to be shared with others. You can share the form via email, a link, or even embed it on a website.